The MO Hives team installs its apiaries on vacant lots, building green spaces and revitalizing communities.
The good thing about a vacant lot is it's not maintained. There's nobody cutting the grass, putting pesticides down. So it actually is a perfect environment to have bees. And using the urban core, that's something that's very out of touch of a lot of people. They see it on TV, read about it, but to see it firsthand in their community is a first.
We started developing a regular cohort of people that would come every Sunday from 9 to 11, and we just work at the apiary. For 10 years, the lots where we have our main apiary was just a dumping site. And for the neighborhood, that just wasn't a form of environmental justice for us. So we cleaned it every weekend. We cut down invasive weeds and planted new species, native plants and flowers. And that's how we started as a core group. From there, we were able to get funding through the Missouri Department of Conservation to actually develop a workforce. We still have our volunteering experiences every Sunday from 9 to 11, but we also in the summer have a 6-week program where, again, we hire students to learn, who want to learn about this space. We hire them to learn and to work.
Dr. Pierson, she is educating a lot of young people with how important pollinators are to our society. And I think that's very important throughout the country. We need a lot more of that.